G'day folks, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Haven't done a currency for a while, but for those currency traders out there, this is one for you possibly. I've got the US Japanese yen currency here. We've got the weekly, daily and hourly. And just looking at each of these in detail, the weekly we had a, you can see here the CCI 400, which we use as a trend indicator. It's pretty much broken below its moving averages, so it's getting bearish obviously. On the CCI 150, that's our divergence indicator. Now we had a couple of divergences here playing out. So this first one here, you can up to that, put those highs there, were a bearish indicator versus the price, and you can see there it fell off. And then a secondary divergence was at those double top up there versus this lower CCI tops on the CCI 150. So again, if you had paid attention to that, you probably would have been careful about going long. Now that's on the weekly. On the daily, similarly, and these don't always align like they have at this point, but in this case you've got two bearish divergences played out, and this one it looks like it's already in play as well on the daily. You'll notice the CCI 400 hour trend indicators are broken well below its moving averages and still declining. There's no major retrace to the upside yet. We've got a couple of bullish candles, but nothing too much to be excited about. On the hourly, I've drawn a Fibonacci level between that low and that high, and the reason for that is, let me first explain, we've got a bullish divergence happening at the moment on the CCI 150 versus the price, and it's starting to bounce. You'll notice the CCI 400 as well, the trend indicator is also heading upwards. Now this small retrace is it's already hit the minimum target level, which is that area between the 23 and the 38% level. So that's a minimal range it gets after these little divergences. Now, before we get any too excited about going along, I'd like to see a break above this 61% level, that area there. That's the key area to look out for. So if it breaks above that, then that gives us a more positive outlook in terms of going long on the US Japanese, but at the moment that's very far away from that particular area. As you can see, very bearish still on the weekly and a daily, and with a bit of a retrace on the hourly. To take further short trades, again I'd be waiting for this to turn to the downside like it did back here and take further short trades. I prefer to trade when on the hourly, when the daily and the weekly are also in a similar trend, in this case a downtrend. So before we take any long trades, I'd like to see the hourly break above the 61%, in which case I want to see then eventually the daily break to the upside above its moving averages, and by that stage we may see further upside on the weekly as well. So if you got value out of this video, hit that like and subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.